आज हम हिंदी वर्णमाला में आगे बढ़ेंगे। हिंदी वर्णमाला में 2 भाग हैं। देखें, स्वर और व्यंजन। जैसा कि हमने पिछले क्लास में स्वर के बारे में जाना था, आ से आहा तक के अक्षरों को हम स्वर के नाम से जानते हैं। तो आ से आहा तक के अक्षरों को हम स्वर कहते हैं। एक बार हम मेरे साथ फिर से दोहराइए आप। आ, ई, ऊ, ऊ, री, ए, आई, ओ, आओ, अंग, आहा। तो ये थे हमारे स्वर के अक्षर बच्चों, आ से आहा तक। आगे हम बढ़ते हैं व्यंजन की ओर। ये है हमारे व्यंजन के अक्षर। एक बार मेरे साथ दोहराइए आप भी। का, खा, गा, घा, अंगा। का से अंगा तक के अक्षरों को हम का वर्ग के अक्षर कहते हैं। बच्चों क्या कहते हैं? What we call this letters of का group? We say का वर्ग letters. We call it का वर्ग letters. So का, खा, गा, घा, अंगा। का से अंगा तक के अक्षरों को का वर्ग के अक्षर कहते हैं। आगे बढ़े। ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन। चा वर्ग के अक्षर। अब बारी आती है चा वर्ग के अक्षरों की। चा, छा, जा, झा, इनी। चा, छा, जा, झा, इनी। तो चा से इनी तक के अक्षरों को हम चा वर्ग के अक्षर कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं? चा वर्ग के अक्षर। आज की हमारा पाठ है, आज का हमारा लेसन है का से इनी तक के अक्षरों के शब्द। का से इनी तक के अक्षरों के शब्द को हम जानेंगे। उसके पहले हम इस व्यंजन के अक्षरों को पूरा कर लेते हैं। टा, ठा, डा, ढा, अणा। देखो बच्चों, मैं जिस तरह बोल रही हूँ आपको भी सुनकर, अच्छी तरह समझकर उस साउंड को आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करके प्रोनाउंस करना है। यू शुड लिसन केयरफुली वेयर आई एम स्ट्रेसिंग एंड वेयर एम आई नॉट, एंड यू हैव टू प्रोनाउंस इन द सेम वे। अदरवाइज when you will write, it will be different. Once again, repeat after me, children. Ta, tha, da, dha, अणा। क्या है ये? अणा। दिस इज अणा। ता, ठा, दा, धा, ना। हो गए बच्चों? हाँ, ये है ता वर्ग के अक्षर। इसके पहले हमने पढ़ा था टा वर्ग के अक्षर। टा वर्ग के अक्षर होते हैं टा से अणा तक। ता वर्ग के अक्षर होते हैं ता से ना तक। एक बार फिर से बोले। ता, था, दा, धा, ना। ओके, वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन। अब हम पा वर्ग के अक्षरों को पढ़ेंगे। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द पा लाइन लेटर्स। पा, फा, बा, भा, मा। एक बार फिर। पा, फा, बा, भा, मा। हो गया बच्चों? अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। या, रा, ला, वा। ओके, धीरे धीरे बोले हम। या, रा, ला, वा। Okay, next move on to the next letters. She, sha, sa, ha. She, sha, सा, ha. Up to ha we call Vyanjan. Ka to ha letters are known as Vyanjan. Now we have left with 3 letters. Those are Ksha, Tra and Gya. Okay. Ksha, Tra and Gya. These 3 letters are known as Sanyuktakshar. These 3 letters are known as Sanyuktakshar. So, Ksha, Tra, Gya are Sanyuktakshar. Okay, very good children. So, we have finished with the Vyanjan part as well as Sanyuktakshar part. So, let's move on to the main topic, that is Katu ini words. Yes, वर्णमाला के प्रत्येक अक्षर से बनने वाले शब्द. It means from the letters of Varnamala we can make many words. Okay, we can make many words from the each letter of Varnamala. So let's move on to the next one. So here we have the first letter of Varnamala, Ka. हम देखेंगे का से कौन कौन से शब्द हैं हमारे पास. आपको क्या मालूम है का से? का से कमल, का से कलम, का से कबूतर. Yes, but still I have more words for you. Let's see what do we have here. ये है हमारे पास का से केला, banana. What is it, children? Kela, banana. It's a favorite fruit of children. Why? Since it does not have any seed, you can easily peel it and have it, isn't it? And it gives instant energy. So, kela, banana. And your favorite, kase kabutar, pigeon, which you are learning from your LKG and UKG, isn't it? So, kase kabutar, pigeon. का से कुकुरमुत्ता, मशरूम्स. क्या होता है? का से कुकुरमुत्ता, मशरूम, which we can use to make many dishes. It's a topping for your pizza and burger. Apart from junk food, we can use it in curries and biryani, and still many more things we can make from this thing. Ka se kutta, D-O-G, dog, your favorite animal, isn't it? It's a very, very dear animal to a human. Next we have ka se kalam, P-E-N, pen. Ka se kalam, P-E-N, pen. And ka se kamal, lotus, our national flower. Ka se kamal, lotus. Here you should concentrate on the spelling of these two words, kalam, kamal. By interchanging the two letters of the ending, meanings will change. The meaning of the word will change, and it will change into two different things also. So kalam and kamal both are not same. Somewhere it sounds similar, but it is not at all same. Let's move on to the next slide, children. Yeah, we have now next letter kha. Now we have here letter kha. Ka. We have finished with ka, and now we have kha. खा से आपको क्या पता है? खा से खरगोश, खा से खग. देखिए हमारे पास क्या है खा से? खा से खरगोश. We have खा से खरगोश, rabbit. Okay, it has red eyes, it loves to eat carrot, and it lives in burrows. We have white rabbit, brown rabbit, and shades of rabbit. So खा से खरगोश. और है हमारे पास खा से खच्चर. क्या है? खा से खच्चर, pony. It is not a donkey nor a horse. It's just a pony. खा से खच्चर. Next we have खा से खिड़की, window. क्या है? खा से खिड़की, window. We should have more number of windows in our house, but it should be protected with the mesh, with the net, so that any other unnecessary insects should not enter our house. So खा से खिड़की, window. खा से खटमल. See, there is no matra in this word. Kha, ta, ma, la. Kha se khatmal, bed bugs. So kha se khatmal, bed bugs. If you do not maintain your bed sheets, sofa sheets and covers neatly, you will get these insects and it will bite very tightly. Very irritating insect it is. So you should maintain your things neatly. Always dry the clothes in sun so that there will no scope of this animal to get there. Kha se khana, food. Kha se khana, food. It can be of any type food. It does not mean only this picture related food. It can be your breakfast, lunch or dinner, whatever you eat at home generally. So any type of food is known as khana. Kha se khana. We eat food to grow, to stay healthy, to get energy. Kha se kharbuja, muskmelon. Kha se kharbuja, muskmelon. We can make juice out of this fruit. That is kha se kharbuja, muskmelon. You should remember these words along with the meanings. Whenever it is necessary, you can use. खा से खीर. खा से क्या होता है बच्चों? खीर भी होता है, राइस पुडिंग. मम्मी बनाती है ना त्योहारों में, फेस्टिवल्स में. खा से खीर, राइस और दूध को मिक्स करके, some sugar, some dry fruits, isn't it? Sometimes with sugar, sometimes with jaggery. खा से खीर, राइस पुडिंग. खा से खीरा, cucumber. cucumber, cucumber. It is used in salad, vegetable salad. We can add some carrot and radish also in this salad. So it's good for health. You should eat regularly. If it is available, you should eat it regularly. Kha se kheera. Next letter we have ga. Ka, kha, and now we have ga. Let's see what do we have with ga. So ये है ga से गाजर. Carrot. See how are they smiling? The smiley face on the carrot. So you should have regularly one carrot as a snack. Instead of eating lot of biscuits and junk food, you can add this vegetable as a snack because it gives a clear eye vision, eyesight. It's a lot of vitamin A is present in this vegetable. So it's good for you to have a carrot regularly. Even elders can have it. Another thing we have ga se gai. Ga se gai. Cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow gives us milk. Lot of calcium is present in the milk which is good for our bones and our teeth. If we need a strong teeth and strong bones, we should drink regularly glass of milk. So it supplies calcium into our body. And with the milk we can make many other things like curd, butter, ghee. Isn't it? गाय के दूध से हम मिठाइयाँ भी बनाते हैं, घी भी बनाते हैं. तो ये हमारे सेहत के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. आगे देखिए हमारे पास क्या है. हमारे पास है गा से गाड़ी, vehicle. गा से गाड़ी, vehicle. It can be any type of vehicle. Car, auto, lorry, tractor, okay, two-wheeler. Any vehicle is known as gaadi in Hindi. Any vehicle is known as gaadi in Hindi. Next we have ga se gud. क्या है हमारे पास? गा से gud, jaggery, which we use for making sweets. Okay, jaggery syrup is used to add in some sweets and all that. So good is also good for health because in it iron is present. So good is good for health instead of sugar. It is also made up of sugarcane juice. Next we have ga se gulab, rose flower. There are many colors available in rose flower. Plenty of colors we have and shades. Okay, it's very pretty flower. There are many poems written on this flower. And always this flower is compared with the small children because it motivates us. The refreshness of this flower we can see in you, means in children. The same way it motivates us to be a fresh, give a good atmosphere around us, spread a good atmosphere around us. So it is compared to children. Gulab, rose. Ga se gulab, rose. Next another flower, see. गा से गुड़हल. क्या है ये? गा में ऊ की मात्रा, ड़ा, हा, ला. गुड़हल. Hibiscus. It has many medicinal values. It is used for making hair oil. It is added in hair oils to give a good strength to the hair. Give good strength to our hair and to cure many hair related problems. So गा से गुड़हल, hibiscus. गा से गेंदा, marigold. गा से गेंदा, marigold. This flower is also used for worshipping God or to make garlands to decorate our house and all that. It is used for decoration, and during festival season also we use this flower to decorate our house. All the main festivals and the other related festivals, it is used all over the India. Genda, marigold. There are also many types in this flower. Many types are available in this flower and colors also. Next we have Gase, Gend. Ball, ball. It is very familiar to you since you saw this many times. Even you have played with this thing. That is ball in your games period. Okay. So balls are also many types. As you know, we have a cricket ball, we have a throw ball, we have handball, we have football, isn't it? Tennis ball. Different types of balls are available, and with that different type of ball, we have to use those ball for that game only. As you know, we have to use that ball for playing only the particular game. So we have different types of ball, and balls are known as gend in Hindi. See the difference? This is genda and this is only gend. Only by adding a single matra here, meaning of this word has changed. Even the word is also different. Here gend. These both are looking similar, just by adding single matra here complete thing has changed. Even this is also different thing. Next see what we have, children. Okay, अब हम आ जाते हैं घा पर. हमने क्या क्या सीखा है बच्चों अभी तक? का, खा, गा. इन तीनों अक्षरों के शब्दों को हमने सीखा है. अब हम आगे घा अक्षर के शब्दों को देखते हैं. आपने क्या क्या सीखा है घा से? घा से घर सीखा होगा, घा से घड़ी सीखी होगी, लेकिन मेरे पास आपके लिए और भी शब्द है. देखिए क्या है वो. घा से घड़ी, of course, as I told, घा से घड़ी, that is clock or watch, whether it is a wrist watch or a wall clock, both are known as a common name, that is घड़ी. Okay, so both are known as a common name घड़ी. घा, बड़ा, इसमें बड़ी ई की मात्रा, घा से घड़ी. और ये है हमारे पास घा से घी. It's a clarified butter. After making butter, we have to heat it and then we will get this thing, that is clarified butter, ghee. It can be stored for many days. And the fragrance of this ghee is very tempting. So clarified ghee, it is used for making many sweets. As in a regular food also, children can add this on a daily basis. They can add this thing just a spoon in your meal. You can add this just a spoon in your meal. It's good for you. It gives good fat content. घा से घड़ियाल. घा से क्या होता है? घड़ियाल. एलिगेटर. घा से घड़ियाल, एलिगेटर. See, this is not crocodile. One thing I want to make you very clear. This is not a crocodile. Crocodile and alligator both are different features, physical features. Okay, the back part of the body, you may by seeing you can say that it's both are same, but both are not at all same. The physical feature of both the animal is different. It's a reptile, isn't it? It's a reptile. So the front face feature of both the reptiles are different. Yes, ghadial is having a pointed mouth, whereas crocodile is having a wide mouth. But both are very dangerous for us. We should not at all dare to go close to them. So, घास है घड़ियाल, alligator. Mainly it is found in forest region and the other region where many lakes and what to say ponds are available. घास है घर, house. I don't want to explain much about this because you already know this. Gha se ghanta, bell. We have seen many places in temples and religious places. In all the religious places, it is available. Whereas in schools also it is available. Gha se ghanta. It makes lot of sound, and that also depends on the size of the bell, isn't it? On the size and weight of the bell. How thick it is, that much sound it will produce. Next, घंटा घर. घंटा घंटा घर, clock tower. It is a clock tower, घंटा घर. Where can we find this clock tower? Do you have any idea, children? Yes. Have you seen it in metro cities railway stations? Yeah, in Chennai railway station it is available. In Mumbai railway station it is available. In Howrah railway station it is available. Mainly in the metro cities railway station it is available. Apart from that, in some famous churches also it is available. Ghanta Ghar. The importance of this Ghanta Ghar clock tower is a clock is present here. See, as you can see, it's a big clock it shows, and it is visible for lot of places, and it produces after every hour it produces a sound, a ring sound, a bell sound it produces after every hour. If it is a 1 o'clock, just a single bell it gives. If it is 2 or 3, according to the time, it that many times it rings its bell. That is the thing present in this Ghanta Ghar, that is known as clock tower. Next we have Gha se Ghungrala, curly. See, curly hair. This girl is having curly hair. There are many type of hair: straight hair, curly hair, husky hair. So this girl is having curly hair. Curly is nothing but curves. Curves are known as curly. Ghungrala. Next we have घास है घोंसला. क्या होता है ये? नेस्ट होता है. ये चिड़ियों का घर होता है जहाँ पर चिड़िया अंडे देती है. चिड़िया अपना घर बनाती है अंडों को देने के लिए, और उनमें से छोटे छोटे क्या निकलते हैं? चिड़िया के बच्चे निकलते हैं. घास से घोंसला, NEST, नेस्ट. अंगा, अंगा से कुछ नहीं. अंगा एक खाली अक्षर होता है जिससे कोई भी शब्द हम नहीं बना सकते. यू कैन नॉट मेक एनी वर्ड स्टार्टिंग विद दिस लेटर. ओके, सो अंगा से कुछ नहीं. आगे बढ़े बच्चों, 4 लाइन के शब्दों के बारे में सीखेंगे अब हम. चा से क्या है देखिए, ये है हमारा चा अक्षर. चा से क्या मालूम है आपको? यस, वेरी गुड. चा से चम्मच आपको पता है. और क्या मालूम है चा से? चरखा मालूम है आपको? चटाई, चरखा. ओके, आगे देखिए हमारे पास क्या है. चा से है चिड़िया. ये तो आप रोज देखते होंगे. चा से चिड़िया, बर्ड. We have many birds around us. Okay, all produce different type of sound. All have different type of home eating habits. So, चा से चिड़िया. You will learn more about चिड़िया in your science lessons. So, keep learning and keep going on thinking about the things which is around you. चा से चिड़िया. चा से चिड़िया घर भी होता है. चा से चिड़िया घर. We have also चा से चिड़िया घर. So see, चिड़िया, चिड़िया घर. Don't think चिड़िया will live in चिड़िया घर because here चिड़िया is added. In चिड़िया घर, yes, of course चिड़िया is also there, but along with चिड़िया we have other animals also. Since it's a zoo, and all won't live in the same cage. According to their eating habits, according to their living habits, all are segregated into different cages. If you have visited zoo, you must have seen there how a lion cage or den is different from a giraffe, isn't it? Or a wild buffalo, or we have other animals like elephant, okay, leopard, and many other wild animals are available there. We don't have domestic animals there. No need to keep domestic animals in zoo because we can see anywhere like buffalo or cow. Normally we can see around us, or a goat. isn't it? But wild animals cannot stay with us. That's why just to see them, just to know about them, a place is made, that is zoo. A place is arranged, so that is zoo, where a children or anybody can go and just have a look and know more about that animal, that what is the eating habit of that animal, okay, what is the surroundings of that animal, so with which type of sound does it make. So these all are related to that animal, and they live in zoo. So Chiriyaghar is zoo. Let's move on. See, this you already know, as I told, चा से चम्मच, spoon. चा से क्या है हमारे पास? चम्मच है, spoon है. अब आगे क्या है? चा से चटाई, M-A-T, mat. चटाई. Generally we use this to just lie on the floor. Okay, we arrange this on the floor to sit on it. चटाई, M-A-T, mat. चा से चोर, thief, a bad man who takes our thing without our permission is known as thief. So children, see and be aware of thieves around you. We cannot identify who is a thief or who not, but we should be careful about our things. We should be very particular about our things, and we should always keep on a watch that we keep our things properly, whether it is a home or in a school or anywhere. So we should be careful. We cannot blame anybody, isn't it? So chor, thief. Next is cha se charwaha, shepherd. Cha se charwaha, shepherd. See, small sheep are available here, isn't it? Can you guess what is the work of this charwaha? ये क्या करता होगा? ये अपने भेड़ियों की रक्षा करते हैं. ये अपने भेड़ की रक्षा करता है. चरवाहा क्या करता है? अपने भेड़ों की देखभाल करता है, बकरियों की, भेड़ों की देखभाल करता है. चरवाहा's task is to take care of its animals. Okay, whether it is a sheep or a goat, it has to take care of the sheep. For purpose of, if it is a sheep, to collect the wool. Okay, again they will sell in the factories. Or if it is a goat, for milk and for the meat. So चरवाहा, shepherd. चा से चार पाई, COT cot, since it has 4 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके, इसके 4 पैर हैं, इसीलिए इसको चार पाई कहते हैं. COT cot, a bed. COT cot or a bed is known as चार पाई because it has 4 legs. एक देखो, 1, 2, 3, 4. कुर्सी के भी 4 पैर होते हैं, लेकिन उसे चार पाई नहीं कहते क्योंकि इस पे हम सोते नहीं हैं. We just don't lie down on chair. We just sit on chair. So we lie down on cot. So that's why it is known as चार पाई. चा से चाबी, की. Any type of key is known as चाबी. क्या होता है? चा से चाबी होता है, की होता है. It can be of any type. आगे है हमारे पास छा. अभी तक हमने क्या क्या खत्म किया बच्चों? का, खा, गा, घा, अंगा. अब हमारे पास चा भी हमने खत्म कर लिया ना. अब है हमारे पास छा. देखिए हमारे पास छा से क्या है? छतरी तो होगा ही. ये रहा छतरी. छा से छाता और छा से छतरी. छतरी मतलब अम्ब्रेला, छाता मतलब अम्ब्रेला. We use umbrella to protect ourselves either from sunlight or from rain. Okay, we use this in 2 seasons, either from sunlight or from rain. So छा से छाता. छा से छछूंदर. क्या है ये? छा से छछूंदर, मोल. छा से क्या होता है बच्चों? छछूंदर होता है. क्या आपने देखा है ऐसे छछूंदर को? It's a big rat, pointed mouth, and it makes a lot of sound, mainly at the night time. Since it go around at the night time in search of food, it makes a lot of sound and it spoils food grains. Mainly food grains it spoils. Even it bites our clothes also if it is available near to it. So better we should be always protected from these animals. छा से छछूंदर, मोल. छा से छह. ऐसा ये 6 numbers we have here. छा से 6 और छा से 26. हमारे पास ये 2 numbers है, ये 2 अंक है. छा से 6 और छा से 26. 6 and 26. ये दोनों भी छा से शुरू होते हैं, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे ऐड किया है छा से 6, छ से 26। आगे देखिए, हाँ हमारे पास है छ से छड़ी, स्टिक। क्या है हमारे पास? छ से छड़ी है, स्टिक। Okay, old people use this to walk as a support. They use this as a support for walking. Cha se chhadi, walking stick also we call. So it's a walking stick or chhadi. Cha se chipkali, lizard. Do you fear of lizard? Yes. Yes, I also have fear of lizard. Okay, I don't like this lizard at all. Cha se chipkali, lizard. We found on, it can be found anywhere, either on the walls, on the floor also. So cha se chipkali. Now we have ja. Which letter we have? Ja. हमारे पास कौन सा अक्षर है? जा. जा से जल, जा से जहाज. देखिए क्या है? जा से है जंगल, फॉरेस्ट. देखो जंगल में कौन रहता है बच्चों? हम रहते हैं या कोई और? हम नहीं रहते ना जंगल में, हम शहर में या गांव में ओके रहते हैं, लेकिन जंगल में कौन रहता है? जानवर. सी, जानवर, एनिमल्स. हु लिव्स इन जंगल और फॉरेस्ट? Animals. We do not live on jungle or forest. We live on our houses, which are present either in villages, cities or towns. So animals live in jungle. It's the safest place for them because they, according to their food habit and living habits, they feel comfortable living over there. Mainly the wild animals. So animals live in jungle. So jungle, जानवर, जानवर, jungle. Next we have ja se jad, root. It is very important for a plant to stand under the soil and catch the soil and give support to the upper part of a plant. Okay, to the uproots of a plant. So we have this jad, ja se jad, root, which supply water also to the other parts of the plant. The work of root is, the work of jad is to what? To supply water to the other parts of the plant, that is stem, flower, bud, branches. Isn't it? जा से जेब. जा से क्या है? जेब. POCKET, pocket. जा से क्या है? जेब, pockets. See, this man is showing it has nothing in his pocket. He has nothing in his pockets. So जा से जेब, pocket. जा से जग, JUG, जग. जा से क्या होता है? जग होता है, JUG, jug. We can use this for serving water, juice, milk, tea, anything. Okay, ja se jug. Ja se jeeb, tongue. Very very important part in our body because we taste anything from our tongue. The taste buds are present in our mouth. Okay, with the help of tongue we taste whether it is a sweet, sour or bitter or spicy or whatever the taste of a food, we can just identify through this part of our body, that is known as tongue. So hot or cold also we just sense it with this tongue. Jeev, it is one of our sense organ. So ja se jeev, tongue. जा से जैकेट. जा से क्या होता है? जैकेट होता है, JACKET, jacket. We use this jacket to protect ourselves from winter season. Some jackets are built for both, that is either for rainy or for winter. So and sports person also use this jackets, jerkins. जा से jacket. जा से जाली, net. It is also used in the ground to play many sports. Okay, different type of net are available. Again, tennis net is different, throw ball net is different, cricket court net is different. Okay, and what else? Volleyball net is different. We use many net for different type of game. Ja se joker. Have you seen this joker in circus? Have you seen this? No? Have you seen such a type of joker in circus? What is the task of a joker? Can anybody say? Yes, he make us laugh by doing funny things. He just make us laugh. That is the work of a joker. Ja se joker. Here we have ja se juice. It can be any juice. Pineapple juice, apple juice, orange juice, muskmelon juice. Okay, grapes juice. So any type of fruit juice is known as ja se juice. So we have finished with cha, cha, ja, and now we have jha. हमारे पास अब है झा अक्षर. झा से क्या होता है? झरना, वाटरफॉल. झा से क्या होता है बच्चों? झरना होता है, वाटरफॉल होता है. ओके, हैव यू विजिटेड एनी वाटरफॉल ड्यूरिंग पिकनिक सीजन? You might have visited. Okay, we like to just have fun in that falling water. It's very cool. It's a natural. We do not know from where it is coming, but we just want to enjoy that cool water. Okay, जहाँ से झरना. So whenever you go, just stay with your parents. Do not go alone, and you should follow the rules of your parents. Whatever they say, you should follow them. जहाँ से झरना, जहाँ से झील, lake, sustainable water. जहाँ से झील, lake, the view at the झील at night time, moonlight, full moonlight, so pretty. Many sceneries are made in that झील side view, isn't it? So जहाँ से झील, lake. जहाँ से झाड़ू, broom, it is used for cleaning roads. Have you seen when this municipal employees cleans out the road? Isn't it they use this type of big broom things to clean the roads and all that? जहाँ से झाड़ी, bushes. Okay, these are झाड़ी bushes. Mainly in the rainy season, we found just beside the roads, unnecessary bushes will grow, and we have to chop it off to clear the road. So जहाँ से झाड़ी, it just block the path by growing here and there. So we need to clear those bushes. Otherwise there will be a scope for insects and snakes to grow over there. So better to clear those when it is not required. झा से झोपड़ी, झा से झोपड़ी, a chutty hut, a small hut where 2 or 3 people can live. That also in very rare places it is found. Nowadays we cannot find झोपड़ी even in the villages. So झा से झोपड़ी, झा से झाग, FOAM, foam, झाग. See, by rubbing our hand with lot of hand wash or soap or shampoo, we can get lot of foam. Isn't it? Foam, jhag, the bubbly thing over the water is known as foam, jhag. So here we have ini letter. इन्हीं से कुछ नहीं. इन्हीं से क्या होता है बच्चों? कुछ नहीं. इन्हीं से हम कोई भी शब्द नहीं बना सकते हैं. इन्हीं से कोई भी शब्द नहीं होता है, ना ही हम बना सकते हैं. So we have learned in this video from ka to इन्हीं लेटर्स. का से झा तक के शब्दों को हमने सीखा है. उन्हें आपको याद रखना है. आप जब भी वह शब्द, वह चीज देखे, वह शब्द, उनका नाम, उस शब्द का नाम आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए. यू शुड गेट द नेम ऑफ दैट थिंग immediately in your mind. So this is our class from ka to any letters. Next class I will again meet you from ta to which letter? Ta-tu, not ta-tu. Ta-tha-da-tha-na, ta-tha-da-tha-na. So, ta-tu-na letters. I am going to cover in next class ta-tu-na letters along with more words. Okay, children. Thank you.